2025 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.